In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone sound not working. Let's get started. First, launch your control center. Here you're gonna find this volume slider. Just increase it to the fullest. Likewise, make sure you haven't enabled silent mode. Then, turn off focus mode if it is enabled since it will block sound alerts. Next, launch your settings app. Now head over to the option sound and haptics. Make sure you have toggle off for the option silent mode. Here you're gonna find this section of ringtone and alerts. Make sure the volume slider is turned off. After that, check your ringtone and alert sound to make sure it is not set to something too quiet. Navigate to the option ringtone. From these options, select the one that has loud sound. If sound is missing in a specific app, check inside the app for a mute or unmute button and turn it back on. Likewise, navigate to the option Bluetooth. Disconnect any connected devices like headphones or car audio, then test again. Next, head back. Navigate to the option General, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings to fix possible glitches. Finally, if nothing works, do a forced restart by quickly pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. After your phone restarts, your sound should be working again. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.